Hello, everyone. Welcome to the meditation surrounding this week's talk about how to rebuild your confidence whenever you feel invisible. So if you are ready for this meditation, feel free to continue. If you're not, come back to it or take time for you right now to find a place that's quiet, that you can sit comfortably without being interrupted. Just have this time for you. You be seen by yourself. By you. See you. We're talking about being invisible and feeling invisible. Don't neglect yourself. Don't make yourself feel more invisible by not doing things for you. Okay? So find a quiet place, someplace you won't be interrupted. Maybe take your shoes off if that's comfortable. Just sit and be. And if you're ready, let's do this. I invite you to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Breathing normally here. Releasing those shoulders away from the ears. Releasing the tongue from the top of the mouth. Releasing the jaw. Releasing that tension from between the eyes. Taking another deep breath here in through the nose and out the mouth. And let our attention go to someplace in our body that is holding some stress, some tension, some emotions. Let your mind go to that place. It may be something that's very obvious, or maybe somewhere that's not so obvious. Notice if any emotions do come up wherever you land in your body. Acknowledge those emotions. Your emotions are valid. Your emotions are yours. And it is okay to have them. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And when you exhale, release some of that out the body. Whatever you're holding on to, let that go just a little bit. How does releasing that feel? And if you'd like to release a little more, inhale in the nose. Exhale, releasing a little bit more. I want you to imagine, sense, and feel some roots growing out of the bottoms of your feet, down into Mother Earth. Feeling grounded, feeling supported, feeling anchored and held by the wonderful earth. And even if you have felt unseen by others, earth always supports you, sees you, hears you, takes it in for you. And sometimes you may feel as if you've disappeared into the background or been unnoticed, unheard, unseen. Sometimes maybe even not felt yourself. This does not mean that you are less valuable. It means that right here, right now, you're being invited to reconnect with yourself. And I want you to imagine, sense, and feel a glowing light in your chest or heart space. And with it, each inhale, that little light expands just a little. And you get to choose how much that expansion is. With each exhale, it grows steadier. So inhale, it expands. And exhale, it gets steadier. This is your inner presence, your confidence, your worth. It's always been here. Maybe a little faded, maybe a little ignored, but it's always been here. It's yours. It's your light. And I want you to take that light and have it expand up through the body, neck, shoulders, head. Down the right side of your body, left side of your body, down the legs, again, all the way down to the feet and to those roots that you've planted. And now you get to decide if you want to extend that outward. Maybe you're comfortable right here, and that is fine. But maybe you're ready to be seen just a little bit more, heard just a little bit more, standing in your confidence, your personal power and authenticity a little bit more. So expand that light out. You get to decide how far. Maybe it's an inch away from your body. Maybe it's a foot away from your body. Maybe it's 10 feet away from your body. You get to decide what is comfortable for you. Isn't that beautiful that you get to decide that? I'm going to offer some affirmations, and I invite you to repeat them silently or aloud. I love it when we speak to ourselves aloud because it's just something about that voice. It's not your inner voice, it's your actual voice reminding you. But it's whatever you feel comfortable, called to do, or can do, depending on where you're watching this. So repeat after me, either silently or aloud. I am seen. It is safe to be seen. I matter. My presence is powerful. I take up space with confidence. And if any of those truly hit to your core, I would recommend using that this week as we go through the week as sort of your mantra. I am seen. It is safe to be seen. I matter. My presence is powerful. I take up space with confidence. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Notice how your light shines within you. Carry this with you wherever you go. You are truly never invisible. Placing one palm flat on the heart space and the second on top of the first. Feeling that heartbeat, feeling your breath move up and down. Bringing your light and confidence back into the space that you're in right now. And as we say in yoga, the light within me sees the light within you. And when you're ready, and you can sit here as long as you like, but when you're ready, you can open your eyes.